Hello, beautiful Capricorns, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys ever so much for liking the videos and for subscribing to the channel. It's deeply appreciated, Capricorn. Let's see what's going on, Capricorn energy. Capricorn, messages please for Capricorn. Whoa. The Rose of Venus, alignment, flow, right relationship, and harmony. So it's like Spirit is bringing you in the right relationship. Sureness of the soul, unseen help and support is coming toward you. The Sun, joy, enjoyment, life force, success, vitality, and play. What a beautiful energy. Come to me, attracting like a rose. Receive abundance and desires. Capricorn energy. Let's get some animal totems for Capricorn spirit. Getting unseen help and support. Success, vitality, joy. So you've been stung, but it's looking like you're co-creating with Spirit. Be at home. A rebirth is assured. Bring a gentle touch, Spirit is saying. Someone with a gentle touch. It's time for a deep dive. Capricorn energy. Lifting the veil, questioning everything. Anything unaligned must go. Empathic starseed, energetic sovereignty, absorbing what is not yours. That's why Spirit is putting you in alignment, has caused anything that is not in alignment is being removed from your life. And you, because you're an empath, you were absorbing what wasn't yours. You're not for everyone. Embrace your weirdness. Face your true north. Like, you're not for everybody. But it's life lessons, soul growth, study, and higher learning. So there has been the great severing. Mars energy of anger and conflict. And it shows you softening to love. Birthing creations. This tapestry of life and expressing yourself. So anything that was not in alignment with you, Spirit is causing the great severing, is removing things, people, places from your life because it was draining your energy, draining you because you were an empath. You were taking on too much that wasn't yours. Dimming your light, Spirit saying. Divine alchemy is at hand. Holy amethyst. Move beyond current challenges. Focus on what you truly desire. Love and peace. Let go of the need to be right. Choose peace. Mother healing is possible at this time. Transcendence. Lord Shiva. Rise up. Honor your inner force. Steps are being given. Dance with the universe. Light activation. Your internal guidance is coming through loud and clear. What does this person want to say to Capricorn? Is there a message for Capricorn? What is the message for Capricorn? So It's indeed that you were taking on other people's problems and burdens. This person is saying, I always see you in my dreams. I look for you. I took you in the wrong way. Yeah. I was your distraction. Yeah. So this person was distracting you from your life purpose, was absorbing your light. They took you in the wrong way. They were reliant on you. They were draining your energy. It's absolutely correct. They were distracting you from your life purpose. And they think that the relationship is worth fighting for. And Spirit is saying a rebirth is assured. I will not wait patiently for you to open up. I will wait patiently. They're wishing things could be different. So someone obviously wants your forgiveness. You could be very angry at this person. They think that the relationship is worth fighting for, and Spirit is saying that a rebirth is assured. So this person could have been very sneaky or put you in a competition. This is the past. The great severing. I think you severed the relationship. I think that you got your sword drawn here. So they're waiting for you to soften up. So there was something unjust. And now there is justice. The great severing. It could have caused a separation. Heartbreak. Now they want to work on reconciling. Maybe they were too focused on work. I don't know. This is the Emperor wanting to work at things. But they know you're angry. They do stay up at night dreaming of you. This is dreaming. They are dreaming of you. Thinking that you may reject them, that it's over. Tower. They think that this is worth fighting for, this relationship. It's 10 of Cups. They did take you in the wrong way. They took advantage of you is what they did. And they know your guard is up. Whoa. So they could have been talking or dealing with another lover or a karmic. Fed their ego. They want a new beginning with you. They see stability with you, a solid foundation with you, and they are sorry. That's the apology. They want to give you an apology for maybe walking away or all these changes. Looks like they don't want you to get away. They regret. There is sadness here. I'm sorry. They regret their actions. They want a new beginning. They love you. They want to fight for this love. They are saying, I'll wait till you soften up. They know darned well they want a new beginning with you. They want to talk. They know how genuine you are. They know that they were playing mind games with you, or there is a great severing because of this conflict, because of this mind games. They know. Hmm. Hmm. They're praying and wishing and hoping. Seeing you single here, you're trusting your intuition. Rebirth. Rebirth is assured. They're thinking that about communicating. Soulmate. Ten of Pentacles. Wish fulfillment. They're trying to manifest you back. They're in hermit energy. Soul searching, thinking. I don't know. It's going to be a decision to make here, yours. But they see happiness with you. You were an empath, and they took you the wrong way. They mistook your kindness for weakness, but you were this person's joy and happiness, but they did take advantage. They're watching you, they're observing you, and they're heavily burdened. They think that you've moved on. Well, you've become the Empress, and they are watching you. They chose to betray you, and now it's weighing heavily on them. They want to come toward you with a victory. They're saying, I'll take things slow. I've learned a lesson. I will wait. Hmm. Hmm. So this person has learned a lesson. They're still holding on to you. Secrets. This person hurt themselves when they hurt you, and they were very immature. They were very secretive. That is deceptive. They have learned some lesson about deception and secrets. And the path that they have chosen has led, they have learned a lesson, a karmic lesson. They want to fight for this relationship. That's their true thoughts of whoever was on your mind or is on your mind. They're waiting for you to soften up. They think the relationship they want you to open up. They want to communicate with you. They're always dreaming of you. And yes, they took you in the wrong way. They're saying I was your distraction. They're waiting for you to open up. Well, they might be waiting a long time for some of you. They're just wishing things could be different. Well, I guess they shouldn't have been entertaining others. But if you can forgive, they're waiting. Hoping that they could be at home. A rebirth is assured. They stung you. That's what they're saying, Capricorn. The right relationship and harmony. Unseen help and support is here. They are definitely regretting their actions. Take care.